Hello, it's How To Not To, and today I'm going to show you how to use expanding foam filler to fill deep holes, gaps, and it's also good for installation. So let's get started. So here is what you will need to do the job. Expanding foam filler, which you can buy at any DIY store. A brush to brush away any loose plaster. Also, you will need gloves to protect your hands, and you might need a floor covering as well. I couldn't find either of those, so I'm just going to risk it for this video. But I wouldn't recommend it, as the last time I used this filler, it didn't come off my nails until a few days later. So anyway, the expanding foam filler can be used indoors or outdoors, and the foam will expand 2.5 times its size. So before you use the spray foam, make sure the hole or gap is free from dust. So I'm just going to use a brush to remove any dust or loose plaster. Then using a spray, I'm going to wet the area with water, and this will allow the foam to stick, and it also helps it cure and expand. So I'm also going to open a window to keep the room well ventilated. So once you've done that, remove the lid and just give it a good shake, about 20 times, which is the recommendation. Screw the nozzle onto the valve. When handling the can, make sure it is facing away from you. Just slowly press to test it first to see if it works. So you can see it's starting to come out. So I'm placing the tube into the hole, and I'm just going to gently squeeze the nozzle, and the foam will come out and fill the hole, like so. As I said earlier, don't overfill, as it will expand. The foam will be tack free in 15 minutes, and the surface dry in about 30 minutes. So here is a very deep gap just above the skirting board. So again, I'm going to spray some water around there and inside, and then I'm going to apply the foam. Remember to give it a good shake before application. So again, another deep hole to fill. I'm going to use a tiny brush this time to clean the area. If you're filling around delicate surfaces or near wood or furniture, you might want to use masking tape to protect it. You may also want to use protective glasses just in case it splashes back at you. So after 12 hours, you can now cut away any excess foam. Just saw away there. The saw was too big for this area, so I'm going to use a bread knife I found in the kitchen. I just hope no one will notice it missing. Just cut away any excess foam. So I'm just tidying up a bit. Just saw away there. Again, I'm just using the kitchen bread knife, and the job's done. At this stage, it's okay to handle. So as you can see, it's quite spongy and weird looking. So I'm just sanding it down until it's smooth. And once it's smooth, it's ready to paint over. So the last and final step is to finish it off using white plaster wall filler to create a smooth finish. So I have in front of me a multi-purpose filler which will dry to a white finish. So I'm just going to mix the powder with cold water until I get a thick, smooth consistency like this. And I'm going to apply it with a flat metal tool to the wall and just scrape it smooth, well, as smooth as I can. And then once that's dry, you want to go over it again with sanding paper. And so there you go. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Please like and subscribe and click on the notification button. And